back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sadie. Make sure that you are subscribed, hit that bell notification so that you do not miss an upload. So today we are going to be reviewing the I Love Revolution donut palette. I love this palette. I love the pigments. You guys will see how I use this and which ones that I use. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so y'all, this is the packaging. Oh, by the way, y'all, looking at my neck, y'all, I'm having some type of like outbreak. I got dry, sensitive skin, and like around the winter time I break out around my ears. This has been happening since I was little. Like I just get all that break out. So I don't know if this is a part of what usually goes on with my ears. It hasn't happened in a while, but yeah, so you know, just in case y'all see that, y'all know what's going on. I'll put some cream on it. But anyway, so this is the packaging. This is called I Love Revolution. It's a beauty brand. I'm not too sure if it's based here only in London because I have some Revolution setting sprays. I'm not too sure if this is the same brand. I just got this today, so this is how it is. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. So yeah, it's a donut tray palette. It's a donut tray palette donut. So this is the packaging. Okay, and it comes with a peanut butter and jelly palette. It comes with a vanilla frosting highlighter. It comes with a chocolate caramel palette. It comes with a cinnamon sugar bronzer. It comes with a pink frosting blush and a makeup beauty blend sponge, which is why I didn't put on any blush because I seen that it came. I'm just explaining to y'all what it came with. So let me go ahead and open it with my little eyebrow scissors. And this is retail for, I think it was retail for $45. It was on sale for $15. I got it today. So, and this makeup section is so cute. I think I took a Snapchat of it and I'll insert it. Hope it smells good. Like a little donut tray. And I went ahead and did my whole face because I just wanted to do brows with you guys. Oh my god, this is so good. Like it's a little chocolate donut. Okay, so, and it's soft, look. So this is the chocolate caramel. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh, look at these colors. Isn't that nice? They don't smell bad. I don't know what they smell like, but okay, so this is one, and let's see, those are pretty. Okay, let's see what's in here. I think this is the beauty blender. Okay, this is nice. I like this. Hi. Oh, they just came pop right out. Okay. These smell good. Okay, so it's just a bunch of beauty blenders. That's cute. So it's 3 and 3. These are how it comes, and I think it actually makes a circle too. Yeah. So this is how they come. Oh, I needed some beauty blenders. I think I'm gonna actually use these back at home while I'm working. Put all of these in here. So okay, so far so good. Let's see, pink is my favorite one. This is the pink frosting. I'm guessing this is the highlight. Y'all, this is so cute. This is the blush. Blush is my favorite. So I got 2 more blushes. Oh my god. Oh y'all. And this one is the peanut butter and jelly palette. It's so cute. And this is the colors that come in it. You guys see? It's so pretty. This is vanilla frosting. This is a highlighter. This is my second favorite donut. I don't even like chocolate donuts. Okay. This highlight, I gotta see how it looks. Let's see. Let's swatch it on. Baby, that might be a little too white for me. Okay. This highlighter not doing that for me. It's giving me ashy. Okay, and then last but not least, we have, this is a bronzer, cinnamon sugar bronzer. Comes in this, and this is how it looks. I probably can use this bronzer. Let me actually see. So let's get right into it. We're not gonna drag this video out. Let me use my brush, which is a Real Techniques brush that I usually use to do my brows. I already like low-key did my contour, but it smells like cinnamon. Okay. Alright. We coming through with something, okay. So let's see what. Okay, so y'all don't, my powder don't waste it on me. Okay, so let me use my blush. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pinker side. This side, I'm gonna use that because I like a pink blush. Okay, let me use both together. Okay, kind of gives you like a highlight. Is it a highlight? No, I guess it's supposed to be frosty, like, you know. And I'm guessing you probably should use them together. Okay, I'm feeling very I like this. I'm glad I got this. This is like a must-have for the holidays. I don't even think I need no. I'm gonna add a little highlight. But let's get into this eyeshadow. I'm thinking we could do something real simple. Chocolate was the one, right? So, chocolate. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me figure out a color, cause I don't really know. Okay, this is the highlight, which I probably won't use because I think that's gonna have me looking too. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the peanut butter and jelly palette. I want to do something simple and quick because I gotta go. So I'm gonna start out with this. I'll walk you guys through what color I'm using first. Let's see. Okay, that's very subtle. I'm using a brown shade. I see the shimmer. Is this supposed to be like earth tone like this? I'm not too sure. Okay. Let me try to pop this on. Let me try to pop this pink and let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use a wet and wild brush. This little pink. See how? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I like it. Okay. I don't see any leave out. I don't feel like any leave out. This is cute. I like it. I always love a shimmer because I feel like, especially for the holidays, you can always do like a smoky eye, pop some shimmer on the top, and you could just go about your day. And I like subtle shimmers because it don't look like crazy, you know. You don't look like you're just carrying on. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I liked it. This is giving me, this line is giving me very, like, first of all, let me say this, right? The branding and marketing. Am I too, I don't know, is this light too bright? I don't think it's too bright. Let me know what y'all think. Let me get into focus, y'all. Okay, maybe that's better, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, the branding and marketing of this company is amazing. Like, when I seen it, I was stuck for about 10-15 minutes, like, looking on their app. Like, it's just amazing. And I was telling my mom, I'm like, you know, this company is showing me, like, how important branding and marketing is. Like, I don't even really know if the products is good, but because their branding and marketing is, like, has, like, captivated me, that's, like, all I care about. And it's crazy that it's like that, but hey, that's the world we live in. And I told my mom, I said, listen, the next big thing that I launch, listen, the branding and marketing has to be on point. I like this look. And that was quick. That was like, we just did this less than, look, it hasn't even been long. And y'all gonna see, like, I'm not with all that long doing makeup, cut, crease. Don't get me wrong, like, I love a good little cut, crease and stuff, but me personally, I just feel like at the end of the day, first of all, nobody don't wear all that heavy makeup anyways. You see Cardi B, all these celebrity makeup artists, when they do these celebrities makeup, you do not see them doing all this heavy duty cut, crease, Them people putting just what I'm doing right here, putting a little bit of shimmer somewhere, giving them a little highlight, giving them a little nasty brow, a little lash, and that's it. Nobody not doing all that. How y'all carrying on with all this, you know? Don't get me wrong. Those are some of our favorite YouTubers. That's how they has grasped our attention. But it's like, nobody don't got time for that. Oh, let me try to highlight. Okay. Let's see, y'all. Let me try to highlight. And I think I'm gonna take that same, oh wait, y'all help me remember which one I used. I think the peanut butter and jelly. Okay, put it there so I could tell y'all. This stuff is hard to open now. All right now, so slow me down. Okay. And I needed a new highlight anyways. Okay, where's my, let me use this brush. Let me use my Sephora something brush. It's a highlight brush. Okay, so let's see. Love a little highlight on top of my lip. Ooh, icy, whitey.